Hey first grade, how's it going? We're going to warm up with math today by thinking of the value of numbers whenever they are in the ones place or when they're in the tens place. So quick review. If I gave you the number 53 and I asked you to tell me the value of the 3 in 53, what's it worth? Think about base 10 blocks. Your 3 is actually going to be worth 3 because it's standing for 3 ones. And if I count those up, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's what the 3 is worth in the ones place. Now let's look at the 5. My 5 is in the tens place. So if I ask you, what's the value of 5 in 53? What's it worth? Did you get it? The 5 is actually going to be worth 50 because when it's in the tens place, I'm talking about 5 tens. And if I count those up, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, it's worth 50, okay? So I'm going to give you a couple numbers here, and I want you to shout out your answer, and we'll see if you get it right. Here's your first one. Your number's 29. What's the value of 9 in 29? What's the value of 9 in 29? What's it worth? Let's see if you got it. 9! It's worth 9 because I'm talking about 9 ones. Okay, let's try this one. What's the value of the 1 in 17? What's the 1 worth in 17? To get this one, let's check. The 1 is worth 10 because I'm talking about 1 10. We know that 17 is made up of 1 10 and 7 ones. Okay? Now I always like to be a little tricky, so I always try to give a tricky one. Here's your number. 226 is your number, okay? What is the value of this 2? This 2 in the number 226. Let's see if you got my challenge one. It's worth 20, okay? Because I have 200. This one's worth 2. It's worth 200. 20, it's in the tens place. So I'm talking about 2 10s, so that's worth 20. And then, of course, our 6 is in the ones place. He's just worth 6, 6 1. So this one was 20. Okay, great job, guys. Go to the next slide, and we're going to do some work with bar graphs and tally charts today, okay? So I'll see you soon.